Hi, I'm Phillip, Service and Rental Manager down here at Bobcat of Myrtle Beach. I wanted to make sure that you're aware of our field service option. Field services might be a good option if you are just unexpectedly down. Maybe it won't start up, maybe you broke a hose.
Well, as a road mechanic, pretty much we can, any attachment, any excavator, loader, any piece of Bobcat equipment, whether it's from welding to hydraulic lines, the tracks, sprockets, all that stuff can be done in the field. We have lots of personal tools to work on the machines. We have welders, we have a crane to lift, heavy equipment. Where the machine gets rolled over on the side, we can help pick it up. Any welding job where there's buckets, attachments.
Field services may be a good idea on scheduled maintenance services.
We do more than just customer machine repairs. We also service the machines. We can do pretty much anything from a 50-hour service to a 1,000-hour service.
Maybe you just don't have the time to get to the shop. Good news, we can come to you.
If I was to come out to the machine, the service would get done faster. The customer wouldn't have to bring it in to the shop. The travel time on his end would be a lot less. And we can also see issues potentially that the customer doesn't know about.
Give us a call. We'll get our field service technician out to you in no time.